Hey guys, come hang out with us. We're going to do a full demo of all the awesome sound fonts on our budget
Dartsabers
by Artsabers, including Rey,
Princess Leia,
Kylo Ren,
Darth Vader,
and the Darksaber. So,
coming out of us!
if you like deadly Jedi weapons, vlogs from a galaxy far, far away, or anything Star Wars, make sure to hit the subscription button and the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Cue the impractical lightsaber move. Good one, bud. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are finding the Force. He is Landon Sidious.
And he's Obi Wan Kenobi.
I have the high ground! Hey guys, and if you're new to our channel, we cover all things Star Wars, games, movies, and we got lots more topics we want to cover in the future.
Lightsabers?
Especially lightsabers. That's like our favorite thing, right, dude? So don't be shy. Hit that subscribe button and the bell to check out all of our videos so that you're notified, you don't miss anything. Are we being paid to do this?
No.
No, we just want to show you guys, but these were gifts, so we have to check that box that says paid promotion. So a lot of you guys had questions about not only the sound fonts, but also like the sensitivity of the smooth swing technology on the soundboards here. So we're gonna go over that today. You guys ready? You ready? Let's jump right in. So keep your ears open. We're going to listen to the activation sounds, the swings, the clashes, the blaster deflects, the force sounds, and the deactivation. That makes 6.
I'm Cal Kestis.
That one. Cal Kestis.
Oh, yeah.
Like the Jedi Falling Order.
There's 3 settings for the blade, by the way. There's stable, pulsed, and unstable. And pulsed is my favorite. To the Cal Kestis saber. Whoa. Let's see if I don't knock over any drinks or any lights or anything during the video. I hope we don't put out an eye with these bullet tips, you know? Boink. Cool, that has a cool clash sound, like it has kind of an echo to it. You hear that? All right, blaster deflect.
Like in the game.
Has like, almost like a metallic blaster deflect. And that's one thing I love about these sabers. If you put your trigger finger on them, you do some really radical, like Luke Skywalker, Mandalorian, blaster deflects, really rapid. Some of the more sophisticated soundboards I find have a little bit of lag to them, but not this one. Yeah, I like that. So let's check out the force sounds.
You are no Jedi!
I think that's the second sister. He's like a big dude or something. I don't know. It's kind of confusing.
No,
Big guy has like 2 visors on his face, but I think that was his voice.
This is Master Obi Wan Kenobi. I regret to report that both our Jedi Order and the Republic have fallen.
Do you remember that from the game where he talks to him on the ship?
Yeah, and that part is where his friend dies like a circle.
Good memory, bud.
You would be wise to surrender. Yeah. Probably.
Whoa. I don't know if you guys have been watching our gameplay from Jedi Fallen Order, but there must be some time when Cal meets Darth Vader. We haven't even seen it yet. That's what that means, right?
Maybe after this movie.
Cool.
Is that
Cal Kestis sound effects, guys. Very cool. All right, your turn, buddy.
Count Dooku.
This one.
Count
Sound
Dooku
font.
sound font. Very cool. All right, go for it, dude. Ooh, yeah, like a menacing swing sounds, huh? Oh, good moves too. Dang, dude, very cool. So these are stunt sabers, so it takes a little bit more force to activate the clash effects. Thanks. Cool, Dooku. All right.
It is obvious that this contest cannot be decided by our knowledge of the Force, but by our skills with a lightsaber.
Must be decided by our skills with a lightsaber.
3.
This is just the beginning.
That's 2. What's the third one?
I've become more powerful than any Jedi.
Very cool. Count Dooku, do the lockup. Get a little carried away. Very cool. And you can even pretend like that's like a lightning effect too. It looks... That's awesome! See, I thought there was only one sound effect for the lockup, but that really sounded like a Sith lightsaber lockup sound, right?
Like he's...
Alright, dude. Count Dooku. Sweet. Let's keep going. Alright. Rey's sound font for the lightsaber. You ready? Activation. Cool.
It kind of sounds like her yellow one. It's her yellow one.
You think?
Yeah.
It probably is,
Yeah, it
huh?
doesn't sound like the real
Yeah, it's not her blue like the Force Awakens saber, it's her yellow one.
Yeah, we never saw her in the yellow lightsaber.
Let's see if we can make the blade yellow, huh?
It's after... Right. That one.
Alright, it got yellow! Dude! You mastered these sabers, right?
Yeah, it's
Rey's
yellow.
yellow lightsaber. So let's talk about the smooth swing sound font, right? So I'm not sure what the definition of smooth swing is, but as you can tell, it's at rest, but pretty smooth to me, man. That sounds pretty awesome.
Blaster deflect?
Blaster. Thanks, buddy. Thanks for the reminder. Very cool.
So like, after the blaster, it became a like smaller blast.
All right, lockup. Cool. All right, force effects.
They're not with me.
They're not with me.
You can't do it for me.
You can-
BB-8.
I'm Rey. Rey who?
That's...
Talking to Maz.
It's not Maz. It's kind of like a weird old lady. It's not Maz. She already died in the castle. The castle falls when it got blasted by TIE fighters.
And clash effects. Got a unique Rey clash effect. Cool. And deactivation. Sweet. Rey saber.
Sweet.
Check.
The Force is with you, young Skywalker.
Try it. Let's try it.
You are not a Jedi yet.
That's when it talked to Luke.
Dude, it sounds like his saber, right? From the movie.
Swing.
Go for it. Got the low swing sound. Totally. Blaster deflect. Okay. Dude, there's like a lot of clash effects for Darth Vader, and it sounds just like his saber, right? That's awesome. Now, I know the blade looks a little yellow here, where it's like mostly bright, but the whole blade is red. But because it's an LED, you know, it's a little bit, it's strong. The light's a little bit stronger here, even though there is a deflective material inside the blade.
Don't make me destroy you. Join me. Together, we can rule the galaxy as father and son.
Sweet, classic line.
I'll never join you! If you only knew the power of the dark side.
Luke and Vader talking, awesome sound fonts, and then what about lockup? All right, and deactivation. Dude, it sounds like Darth Vader's saber. I'm so stoked.
Like the real Darth Vader.
Princess Leia's saber. All right, let's check out Leia's activation sound. It's kind of different, right? That's kind of like a metallic sound to it. Whoa.
Ooh, it sounds like a lawnmower. That's going back and forth.
Where did this kid come from? All right, swinging sounds. All right, clash effects. Right.
like a lightsaber smashing a car.
A lightsaber smashing a car. That's very specific. Very cool, like a metallic flash effect. Flash deflect. Cool. All right. Let's see. Lockup. Very cool. And the force effects.
Never underestimate a droid. Yes, Master.
It's Leia from like Rise of Skywalker, right? The Last Jedi. It must have been Rise of Skywalker, right?
Yeah.
This mission is everything. We cannot fail.
Yeah. We've got like 65-year-old Princess Leia on the lightsaber. That's cool.
The General, to me, she is royalty.
Who is that?
Han Solo.
I don't think that's
Han Solo.
No, to me, she's royalty. Han Solo doesn't say that. If you know whose voice that was, leave a comment down below, please. All right, and deactivation. All right, Princess Leia saber. Check.
Try it.
Palpatine saber. Cool. What an evil sound, man. Cool. All right, blaster deflect and lockup. Although one of our viewers made a good point that we never see Palpatine deflect a blaster, but you still have to have blaster deflects. All right, lockup. All right, force.
Empress Palpatine.
He's from Rise of Skywalker Palpatine, man. He's talking to Rey.
You will be Empress. We will be one.
Super cool. One more.
Sick.
Don't be afraid of who you are.
That was just a Rey sound effect. That was Rey talking.
That was her Rey vision when she was a bad guy.
Oh, dang evil Rey?
Yeah.
And deactivation? Sweet Palpatine saber. All right.
General Kenobi.
General Kenobi. Traditional Obi Wan saber activation. Can't really do any tricks or I'm going to hit the wall or the floor here. All right, cool swing effects, good moves. Blaster deflect. Hear the squeak, the squeal of the blasters from the traditional movies, right? And clash effect. Cool. That never gets old. I love the lockup, man. The whole blade like freaks out. All right, force effects.
Hello there.
Hello there.
Oh, everyone's favorite. Gives a good impression. There you go. These are not the droids you're looking for.
So uncivilized.
So uncivilized.
I have the high ground.
3 of his most popular, famous lines on the sound font there, and deactivation. Obi Wan Kenobi. Check.
I've been waiting for this day for a long time.
Kylo Ren. All right, ready? You ready to show Kylo Ren's saber? All right, do it. Ah, the fiery sound. Cool. Yeah. We also put on the unstable blade profile.
Sounds like the movie.
It does sound just like the movie sounds, right? All right, do blast deflect and lock up. Dude, sounds like his blade's deflecting blasters, man. Lock up.
Kylo Ren.
Wait, that's Snoke.
That is Snoke. Cool.
Kill them all.
All of them.
I'll show you the dark side.
Sweet, and deactivation. Radical, dude! Alright.
Radical mama.
I think we just got one more.
You have something I want.
The Darksaber!
I'm gonna do that one.
No, it's my turn. I'm doing it. Alright, activation.
Daddy, if you want to look like the Dark Show, you have to turn it white.
I do have to turn it white. Let's do it.
This one.
Alright, white with the pulsing blade. Sweet. Alright, let's listen to the swing effects. Ooh, that's sharp. Ooh, it cuts through the air like a knife. Dude, that's crazy. Alright, and clash effects.
Ooh.
Oh, awesome. Blast deflect.
Like a BKT.
Kind of sounds like that, huh? Like a BAT. Don't get blown up. All right, lock up.
Ooh.
Very cool, very unique lockup sound. And the force.
Just as you betrayed our business arrangement, I would gladly break any promise and watch you die.
What's his name?
No, it's not Pre Vizsla.
No, that's Moff Gideon from the Mandalorian, dude.
I would prefer to avoid any further violence and encourage a moment of consideration. The structure you are trapped in will be raised in short order.
We got Mandalorian sound font. Cool, and then deactivation. Dude, that sounded super cool. What do you think?
Yeah, that was awesome.
So that was it, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with us and checking out these sound fonts from our Artsabers lightsabers. Dude, so I'm going to ask you, which one was your favorite out of all of them?
My favorite was the Darksaber.
The Darksaber was your favorite?
Yeah.
Really? I think my favorite was Darth Vader's. That was probably my favorite out of all the sound fonts.
I thought you were gonna pick Cal Kestis.
Eh. So thanks so much for hanging out with us. As always, have an awesome Star Wars Day. See you later, guys. See you next time. You're not going to get me later. Oh.